guys, welcome back to another video with Naturally Dia. Thank you guys so much for coming back if you guys are a returning subscriber or a viewer. And if you guys have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. If you guys are new to this channel, this is the first time you watching my video, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. And I hope you guys get really good vibes. I hope you guys like this channel. And I hope you guys get really good motivation to start your own business. As you guys could tell, I am just putting all of my oils into this big bucket. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to split this bucket into two, and I'm going to do two different scents. I show you one of the scents, but the second scent I don't show you. I feel like it was kind of repetitive. But I am going to put all of my oils into this container, and then I'm going to mix it up. So after I pour my mixture, I want to make sure that I am mixing it up really well. So I did take a good like 2 to 3 minutes just stirring this up. So here you see me just fastly pouring all of my oil into my containers. I have washed and sanitized all of my containers. I have a video on how I wash my product containers. I could link that down below, and I'll put it in the cards above. So here, I'm just taking some of the oil out because I did pour a little bit too much to where I put the syringe in, and it kind of overflowed. And here I am marking the bottom of the container so I know what scent they are, because my labels are not ready just yet. So I did take 2 days to do my oils and then my butters, and here I'm just showing you like my little workspace. And then I showed you that quick view of the pot, and that is the pot that I use to boil my cocoa butter and my babassu oil in. So here I only melt my cocoa butter. I do not melt my shea butter or my other oils. I do melt my babassu oil just a little bit because, as you guys can see, it is white like a coconut oil. So, but once it melts, it gets really translucent, and it just blends perfectly. So here it's my cocoa butter just melting, and I'm doing this super fast, but I wanted to show you guys just the melting process. Now I do keep track of the temperature of my cocoa butter. I do not want to add this into my shea butter at a high temperature because I don't want it to melt my shea butter. I don't want my cocoa butter to melt my shea butter. So here I have just poured all my shea butter and oils into this container, and now I'm going to whip it up. So once I whip up my shea butter a little bit and my cocoa butter is down to about 90 degrees, I slowly put it into my shea butter. I absolutely love this process, you guys. As you guys could see right now, it's like a creamy, fluffy texture. Oh, I absolutely love it. Now, if you guys do see those little lumps in my shea butter, that to me is totally fine. Some people may not like that, but to me, I don't want to melt down my shea butter because I want all of those good nutrients and enriched vitamins to be into my butter. So I don't want to melt it and lose any of those benefits at all. So it is going to have a little bit of lumps. I do whip up my butter for a good like 10 to 15 minutes to make sure I do get most of those shea butter lumps out of my mixture. But this is what it looks like, guys. It is beautiful. It's the best texture. I absolutely love it. And once it sits like in the containers for a couple of days, you guys, the texture is amazing. It's still very fluffy and light. So here I am separating my batch into two different batches. I am going to put the same scents that I did for my oil into my butters, and I do hand mix them, but then I decided to put them back into the mixer, and I mixed it for a good like 5 minutes just to make sure that everything was really incorporated. I did not want any separation at all, so I wanted to make sure that it was extra whipped and everything was incorporated. And then here I am just showing you guys how I pipe this beautiful shea butter, cocoa butter, and all of those lovely oils into this jar. You guys, this body butter is amazing. I hope that you guys truly do plan to buy from me when I do open April 30th. You guys, this body butter will have you guys wanting more and have your skin flawless. I promise you guys. So as a business owner who makes skincare products, I truly believe that measuring your products is really important. You want to make sure that when you guys say that you are giving 5 ounces in this jar, that is literally 5 ounces of body butter. You don't want to give false advertisement, and you don't want to make your customers pay any less or any more for product that they either have less of or more of, if that makes any sense. So as this video comes to an end, I wanted to thank you guys for watching through this whole video. And if you guys have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and like this video. It helps me a lot as a YouTuber and as a young mother who is trying to build her own empire. Again, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and got motivation to start your own business. Alrighty, you guys, love you. Bye.